Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about EURUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, the first thing that we can notice is that we have a market which is currently trapped in between two quite important levels. We have the bottom here currently acting as support. In fact, we can notice how we had multiple rejections to the upside away from this zone. And at the same time, we have the top here currently acting as resistance, with also here the market rejecting this level in multiple occasions. So essentially what we have is a market which is stuck in between support and resistance. Now, this is a range bound market, and usually in range bound markets, you have a test irrespectively of the high and the low over and over again. So essentially we had here the first test of the high, then the test of the low, then the test of the high, then the low, then the high, then the low, then again the high, and now we're testing the low. If the market is to remain in this range, the next logical step would be to see a rejection higher for the market to go and test what kind of liquidity we have here at the top of the range, meaning that right now we are in the zone of interest for a potential reversal. So we have to keep this in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, we can notice this even more precisely. In fact, what we can notice is that exactly here we had first this massive rejection to the upside. We see this huge wick. Again, here the market tested zone. Again, here we had the test. Right now, the market entered into this area once more with a good probability from here to see a rejection to the upside. So a good probability from here to see accumulation of longs on the institutional side of the market. But again, we will speak about that in just a few moments when we move to the commitment of traders. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. For now, let's keep all of this in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, the situation is actually quite clear. Now, I spoke about EURUSD just a few days ago when the market was testing this zone here, and I explained all the reasons for which from here I was expecting this rejection lower, which in fact is exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in the description that previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. But at the moment, what do we have? Well, at the moment, we have a market which, after creating this massive impulse to the downside, seems to start decelerating. Now, usually what you see after a massive impulse is a bit of push to the downside, but every correction is immediately met by more institutional buying. And after this exhaustion, at some point, you see the rejection higher, meaning that there is the possibility inside of here to see accumulation of longs from an institutional perspective. Now, speaking about institutional positioning, if we move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing, and then we look at the data for the euro, we have to keep in mind that the euro is already EURUSD. So this data is already for EURUSD because the data is already reported against the USD. And what we can see is that with the last report, net positions were increased from 13.9K up to 34.3K. So institutions with the last report have added longs and closed shorts, precisely 8,441 longs added and 11,980 shorts getting closed. Now, this is interesting because it shows how institutions seem to have now flipped back to the bullish side for EURUSD, increasing their longs back up to 228k and decrease their shorts from 205k down to 193k. Now, usually what happens after this, when you start to see the shift, is even more institutional buying. So I wouldn't be surprised with the new report to see inside of here even more institutional buying as the market goes lower. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Well, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily time frames combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best time frames for that are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection to the upside away from this area for the market to reject the low of the range that we have identified at the beginning of the analysis on the monthly time frame, fueled by more institutional buying. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.